In this video we're going to inspire you and update you with our massive weight loss.
And tell you about lots of videos that are coming up in the future.
Welcome to the Liz and Scats channel. Hello keto bonitos and fabulous fasting friends. We have a weight loss update for you and it's massive altogether, isn't it? My weight loss so far is 62.5 pounds, I think it is now. I'm rapidly approaching 11 stone. That will mean that I'll have lost 4.5 stone altogether. That's absolutely massive, and I'm going to put up an image of me before, and here's me after. This is me after.
You look so different. It's amazing. I have to keep double taking when I look at you because it's just like, is that still my husband or is it?
It's still me. People in the shops.
Yeah, don't recognise him at all.
Don't recognise me. I mean, I've got the mask on as well,
Yeah,
so that makes it
help.
even worse. And also, normally I wear really colourful clothes, but sometimes I've been going in plain clothes, and they just have got no idea that it's me. I'm incognito most of the time until I suddenly wear my old African shirts, and then it's it's you.
Obviously
It's
scats,
you.
yeah.
There you go. Also, my visceral fat is down below 10. It's 9 now.
Fantastic.
So that is awesome. So what about you?
Well, it was 195.3 and now it's 159.7. So I've swapped the two last numbers around, yeah.
Fabulous.
So I'm approaching 11 stone as well. My weight loss has slowed down quite considerably, I have to admit, in the last few days because I'm approaching goal weight, and also I think I've been eating a little bit too much on occasion. So for the last few days we've been doing OMAD, which is just one meal a day, and we're making it a good one. So we're catching all of the nutrients and vitamins that we need in one meal.
Indeed. So that's the weight loss update.
Yes.
If you like those numbers, if you really, really, really like those numbers, give us a thumbs up and give us a like, please, like, and comment and subscribe and
Please.
click on the bell. Ding! Now, I presume you're watching this because you want to lose weight as well and you want to be inspired. So we would like to hear from you.
Yes.
Lots and lots of things about weight loss. For example,
What are your weight loss targets and goals?
why did you set that particular goal?
Why is it that you want to lose weight?
Are you focusing on weight loss or health or both?
How are you doing it? Is it with keto, or is it with fasting, or something else?
Something else. Could be anything.
Anything.
Tell us all about it in the comments below.
Yeah.
We want to hear from you.
We love to hear from you.
We are planning to do a video all about weight loss and what it means to us and what it means to you
How it affects us as well.
and what we can do to keep it up when it seems really, really difficult,
Yeah. How not to get obsessed with the numbers.
and anything else we can think of.
So why not tell us what you think about it, and we'll give you a shout out in the video.
Make sure you subscribe and click on the bell.
Ding!
And then you'll know when the video is coming out.
We've got lots of ideas for different videos, but if there's anything in particular that you want us to focus on, then can you let us know in the comments below, and then we can do those videos especially for you.
In the meantime, here are some suggestions.
Cheap and easy keto recipes.
Insulin resistance and all the issues that surround it.
Keto and intermittent fasting, the holy grail of weight loss.
Keto and fasting for women.
Preparation for longer fasting.
Low carb versus keto.
Ooh. How about top nuts and seeds?
And when should I do a prolonged fast? When? When should I do it? Soon.
Just want to say a huge thanks to all of you for tuning in today to our channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. We love you all.
We do. You're all very, very wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.